Zach, what are you doing?
Box.
What is that? What are you gonna do with
This
What's
is
in here?
a window regulator from Dorman.
What's this, for the van?
Hmm?
What are you gonna... Yeah, you
Let
need
me
a
show
new
you
one?
something. Check this out. The only reason why I'm doing this to this old turd is because it's got 66,000 miles and it's a good shop van.
Go ahead.
Watch the window. Looks good, right?
That's it? It won't go up any more than that?
That's it.
Do it. Are you... Oh. Do it. Well, we closed it.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Dorman does sell pieces individually, like just the motor.
Oh, do they really?
I got a complete set. Dorman doesn't only remake the part as an aftermarket setup, they also improve the part.
Okay.
You know what I mean? They look for the cons in the original parts and they fix them for the aftermarket ones that they make. So the first thing you need to do
Let's get a light. And don't scratch my car. Those clips are probably all dried up. There we go.
that's the door panel. I'm just gonna pull.
Just pull it over there. There's nothing over there anyway. Don't worry about it. That's fine. Thing's 500 years old. Going to the junkyard one day.
This is what's bad. Alright, so if you look here, this clip holds the window to the tracking. So when I take these clips out, it'll basically take the window off the tracking, and then I'll be able to hold the window, the screwdriver in it, and I can take my regulator out.
Okay, there you go. There you go. All right.
Now you don't want to take the window completely out.
Here's what I
It's
do.
not necessary.
Let go. Oh.
Okay, good.
You know what I usually do, just in case, between the screwdriver, okay, and the tape. Now I'm sure they sell these fancy tools to do this sort of a job, but if you buy everything that they sell, you ain't ever making any money. Right, Leroy? All right. Loosen it real good.
See these bolts? They don't belong there at all. You know why? They can't get the socket on. All right. Now, when that happens, usually they don't really care how it was in the first place.
That's supposed to have
lose-
studs.
And they lose all the bolts. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Pisses me off.
It's supposed to be studs. I don't know what the heck happened with this thing.
3 washers.
Oh boy. That's supposed to have a stud welded on. One piece with the plastic, not welded, but there you go. Hallelujah. And good afternoon. This is from Dorman.
Yeah.
See, look. Supposed to have studs. Look. See? Supposed to have studs. You're supposed to go inside and like a human being. Go. Push it all the way through. There you go. All right. That's in.
Try to match up the pattern that the old bolt was on to try to keep it all lined up. And then we'll tighten everything once I'm done. Well, obviously we're not going to use these bolts, so we're going to use the ones that the window regulator came with for the motor. That's the motor. Of course, don't forget to plug it in. Okay? Alright, let's try it up. Alright, now down. Beautiful! Dorman to the rescue.
All right. And there's no rattle.
No.
This had a rattle. This had one.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Well, there you go. The Dorman regulator's in, and everything went together real easy.
Taking over the world.
One set of Dorman regulators on a 2003 Dodge Caravan at a time. With 66,000 miles. That's very clean.
All right. All right.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.